already arrived, and the Vedic scholars are in attendance to welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of India and other guests outside. Very shortly, our Honorable Chief Justice of India would be here with us. Please don't stand in this passage, please vacate it. You may come on this side, on the right or left side, but please don't stand in the middle passage. Please vacate it. Please make way for our honorable guests and vacate the middle space, this middle passage. The Honorable Chief Justice of India is just about to enter this auditorium. Some senior members of the bar are standing, so I would again request our younger members of the bar to kindly offer the seats to them if they are sitting. Please. Already. So you can please occupy those chairs which have been, some chairs have been added, please occupy those chairs.
Some High Court bar presidents are waiting without the seats and bar council chairmen. Please request the youngsters to vacate.
No, I have done it.
Some are sitting or standing. Please.
So again a request to our younger members of the bar, please offer seats to the senior members, please. Some presidents of High Court bar associations, even chairmen, state bar councils are standing. Please make them comfortable by offering your seats to them, please. Please invite them and offer your seats, please. पांडे जी जरा उधर वो सीट दे रहे हैं, बिठाओ इनको. Mr. Ashok Pandey, and the other staffs, Bar Council of India, please see that all senior. We welcome Mr. Radhakant Ojha, Senior Advocate, President, High Court Bar Association, Allahabad. Welcome, Mr. Ojha. As I informed you, the Honorable Chief Justice of India has already arrived, but some more judges from the Supreme Court are expected, so they are yet to come. So they will come together. हाँ
Kerala they just come 4 members.
अच्छा हाँ KN Ali.
Ramangutti, Rajesh Vijayan and they have just arrived.
The Honorable guest from Kerala State Bar Council and Bar Association, Mr. KN Anil Kumar, Chairman State Bar Council Kerala, Mr. M. Raman Kutti, Mr. Rajesh and Mr. Vijayan Anand. Welcome, my dear friends. I welcome Mr. Sanjay Rathi, Honorary Secretary, Bar Council of Delhi. Mr. Tiwari, Murari Tiwari ji, please help Mr. Rathi find some space. I welcome Mr. Pradeep Rai, Vice President, Supreme Court Bar Association, and Ms. Sonia Mathur, Senior Advocate, Executive Member, Supreme Court Bar Association. I can promise our next program would not be here, it would be at a different place. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice U. Lalit. I request the Chairman Bar Council of India and Vice Chairman, please escort the Honorable Chief Justice of India on the dais. I welcome Mr. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India. Mr. Tushar Mehta. My dear friends, felicitating Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice U. Lalit, is a joyous and momentous occasion for Bar Council of India. Justice Lalit personifies qualities of a practical judge. His lordship is steadfast, firm and resolute in his beliefs. Justice to the last man in the periphery is his lordship's motto. Justice Lalit has given a new and distinctive identity, direction, and dimension to Nalsa. Honorable Chief Justice, sir, your tenure as Chief Justice of India, howsoever short it may be, is going to be impactful. It's a short tenure, but with a promise to bring long-term reforms in the working of Supreme Court and Indian judicial system. I am reminded of a couplet penned by an enlightened soul दुष्यंत कुमार. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. Friends, please give a big round of applause to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. We welcome Mr. Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India. Now, to begin the proceedings, I would request the Honorable Chief Justice of India and Honorable dignitaries on the dais to light the ceremonial lamp.
मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं करावतकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशते भदैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकं. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश मां. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां. जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष माम्.
न तेतरातिभीकरं न बोधितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं.
Thank you very much, sir. I would now request Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman Bar Council of India, to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Mr. Justice U. Lalit Saab, the Chief Justice of India, Honorable Sri Tushar Mehta ji, the Solicitor General of India, my friends in the Bar Council, the representative members of the various state bar councils, the office bearers of Supreme Court Bar Association and all other High Court Bar Associations, young advocates, the honorable members of legal fraternity, media people, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, today the Indian Bar is privileged to welcome the 49th Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice U. Lalit. Mr. Banerjee, please come on the dais. Please, please, please. Please come, sir. The appointment of Justice Lalit as the 49th Chief Justice of India is a matter of great pride to lawyers practicing not only in Supreme Court but all over the country. Sir, कुछ तो खास है फंक्शंस तो हमने बहुत किए इस हॉल में, लेकिन ये रुतबा देखने को नहीं मिला था। Justice Lalit was born to the family of Mr. U.R. Lalit, who is a former additional judge of Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench, and a noted senior advocate practiced in Supreme Court. Justice U.U. Lalit was born in Solapur, native town in Maharashtra. He graduated in law from Government Law College, Mumbai, a premium institution. In the video, we will show the initial career of Honorable Mr. Justice U.U. Lalit Saab. In 2011, a bench of Supreme Court consisting of Justice G.S. Singhvi and A.K. Ganguly appointed Justice Lalit Saab as the special public prosecutor for the CBI in 2G spectrum case, stating specifically that in the interest of fair prosecution of the case, appointment of Justice U.U. Lalit is eminently suitable. He was a part of 5-judge bench in a case against the unconstitutional nature of triple talaq. He was a part of 2-judge bench along with Mrs. Justice Indu Malhotra that upheld the Travancore royal family's right to administer the Padmanabha Swami temple in July 2020. Sir, before you are taking charge of the office of chairman of NALSA, the National Legal Services Authority Act, I have no hesitation in saying that it was not, this NALSA was not known to many people of the country. But when you joined as the chief of NALSA, drastic changes were made. Today, NALSA is a very popular organization. The concept of students of law involving in legal aid process, the concept of legal aid defense council, LADCs, in every court of the country, frequent holding of lok adalats, are all the tremendous ideas of Justice Lalit. Now litigants and lawyers both are happy with NALSA. In one lok adalat, more than 1 crore cases were disposed of. Friends, it is well known that he appeared in several high-profile matters and that his clients included several public figures from the political field, film, media, entertainment industry. In August 2014, the PTI, the Press Trust of India News, reported that he had a high reputation for his preparation, patience, and sober demeanor while arguing his cases. In about 600 judgments delivered by him in Supreme Court, touching all areas of law, Justice Lalit had also been deeply concerned regarding the sexual abuse and violation of young children and has effectively decided matters under the POSCO Act, thereby quashing controversial and untenable judgment delivered by the Bombay High Court. Our chief guest feels that speed, maneuvering and control are some key traits that the top court judges too required to tackle with huge pendency of cases and laying down the law. As a young lawyer, he had brought an Audi Q7. It was a stretch too far, but wanted that car because of the sheer pleasure it gave him at speed, and that he and some of his friends drove from Delhi to the hills in Himalayas. Before he had an Audi, the Honorable CGI recalled, he took a tour of all the districts of Maharashtra riding his Yazdi motorcycle when he was studying law in Government Law College, Mumbai. So this has been the passion for him. to go to road trips and see different places. Some of the crucial cases that the apex court needs to hear in the recent future include, which is included in the various plans of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, the challenge to its controversial July verdict in PMLA case, Maharashtra political tussle, Pegasus snooping, hijab row, freebies matter, and several other important matters. Justice Lalit has already started off on a high note after taking oath of the office of Chief Justice of India. 25 constitutional benches, as you know, 25 constitutional bench cases are listed after a long gap of time. Around 550 matters are marked as sensitive back to circulation before the courts. Hours after his oath, Justice Lalit held a full court, a first in the last 5 years in Supreme Court, for a dialogue with fellow judges on issues affecting the justice delivery mechanism at the top court and the way forward. Sir, over his years of Supreme Court, Justice Lalit has earned a reputation as very fast in disposal, but at the same time very calm, known for his humbleness and cool temperament. Everyone gets the opportunity of patient hearing before him. Our beloved Chief Justice of India has also assured transparency in listing of the cases so that lawyers do not feel difficulties. Listing of cases was a big problem for Supreme Court lawyers. We have faced it, but now whatever urgent matters you feel, it will be listed. Today when the cases will be filed, the next day it is, certainly it will be listed. That is the latest norm laid down by our Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now lawyers are now given opportunity to directly approach the bench concerned, to seek early hearing in cases, seeking urgent relief, and see the height. He has listened to around 200 mentioning cases yesterday. 200 mentioning cases. I am a witness to it. I was there in the court. And all the mentioning cases were heard so patiently. Whatever relief were to be granted, he granted it. मुस्कुराते हुए, एकदम हंसते हुए, कहीं कोई टेंशन नहीं. The Supreme Court lawyers and AORs, yesterday night some of the AORs had come here. Sir, there is no exaggeration, they said, yes, he is the real hero. Our Honorable Chief Justice of India has already begun to address the alarming pendency of cases in the apex court by creating more benches. Regular matters are also being given equal importance. Sir, it is the firm view of Indian Bar that the retirement age should be extended both for Supreme Court judges and the High Court judges. For Supreme Court, it should be enhanced from 65 to 67, and for High Courts, it should be from 62 to 65. Tomorrow, the Bar Council of India is going to hold a joint meeting with all the state bar councils and High Court bar associations to pass a resolution to this effect. The joint meeting will also consider about protecting the independence of bar and bench. Sir, we are sure that very soon the vacancies of Supreme Court and High Courts will also be filled up under the able leadership of our Justice U. Lalit sir. Sir, coming to the problems of the bar, कुछ अपनी बात भी बोल दूं. Sir, I submit that there is no proper sitting space and other infrastructure for lawyers in many states. Lawyers have no social security, no insurance, no mediclaim, no library, no computer, no Wi-Fi connections, no proper adequate death benefit for their families dying untimely death. If a young lawyer dies, his family and children suddenly come on roads. COVID-19 has made the life of lawyers and their families measurable. Several thousands of lawyers have died. There is none to look after their family and the children. Sir, your good self knows that neither Bar Council of India, nor any state bar council, nor any bar association of the country gets even a single penny from central government or the state government. But bar is supposed to be an ideal institution. We have been trying to maintain the standard, and with the support of judiciary, we would succeed in keeping the flag of the institution high. Sir, you know that NLU Bangalore is a brainchild of BCI and its trust. Now, Bar Council of India had established it in the year 1986. Bar Council of India, through its trust, has established another institution, namely India International University of Legal Education and Research, EULER, at Goa. The Goa government has given 50 acres of land for this institution. The Honorable Chief Justice of India is the visitor. Honorable Mr. Justice P.S. Nasimba is the Chancellor, and several sitting and former judges are there in the managing bodies of the university. The Bar Council of India Trust is headed by Honorable Mr. Justice B.R. Gabai and Honorable Mr. Justice Surjkant. Very soon, your Lordship will be there to visit that institution. Sir, you only laid down the foundation stone of Law Teachers Academy for the skill development of teachers at Bhubaneswar last year. The construction work is in full swing. We hope to start that academy from January 2023. Very soon, we hope to implement our idea of having a National Lawyers Academy for training of young lawyers of the country at Bhubaneswar. Sir, we have been requesting all the time that the deserving advocates of Supreme Court should also get opportunity and priority in the matters of appointment of High Court judges of their respective states. Bar has repeatedly been demanding for its involvement in the matters of appointment and selection of judges. If that request is accepted, there would be no need of any other change in the collegium system. Every appointment will be perfect. To leave, and now Mr. Ved Prakash Sarma ji said something about the short tenure. Friends, to leave an imprint and make an impact, the quality of work is important and not the length of tenure. It's the era of 2020. Nobody has interest in test matches or that 50 overs even. 2020 में पहले आके सेंचुरी मार दीजिए, मैच जीत गए. Sir, my friends, more than 400 persons from different parts of the country have come. इनको शिकायत थी कि दिल्ली में बहुत पोल्यूशन है. पता नहीं आपका आगमन ऐसा है, बहुत अच्छी बारिश, पोल्यूशन खत्म, आपकी शिकायत खत्म हो गई है. My Lord, wish you all success. The bar of the country will always be with you. The Bar Council of India has always stood for the institution, and it will continue to stand for strengthening the institution. When bar is strong, then only the judiciary and democracy could be stronger. काम बोलता है, काम बोलने लगा, और इतना हेवी वर्क लोड के बावजूद भगवान ने जो हैंडसम चेहरा सब कुछ दिया है वो आपके सामने है. We are here practicing, and while he was a lawyer, at that time also we were practicing. चेहरे पे हमेशा मुस्कुराहट ही देखा, कभी टेंशन देखा ही नहीं. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है आप स्वस्थ रहें, दीर्घायु रहें और आप सरस्वती पुत्र हैं। आपके इस ज्ञान का लाभ आपके टेन्योर में ही नहीं, आपके पूरे जीवन में सारे बार को मिलता रहे। बस इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Now I would request Chairman Bar Council of India, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, to present a bouquet to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now I request Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, to present a bouquet to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Mr. D.P. Dhal, please present a bouquet to the Honorable Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta. Mr. Apurva Sharma, please present a bouquet to Honorable Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. Banerjee, Mr. Bikramjit Banerjee. And now the representatives from State Bar Council, the presentation ceremony, presentation of bouquet. So I would request the chairman and two representatives from each state bar council. So we have got a permission. Thank you very much, Lordship. So the Lordship has agreed that all members, because members have come from long distances, some of them from 3,000 kilometers, from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So all of them will get an opportunity to come on the dais. Please maintain order. Please maintain order. So firstly, I will invite the representatives from Andhra Pradesh State Bar Council. Please come on the dais and present a bouquet to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. From Andhra and Telangana, both of them come. Mr. Rama Reddy, Mr. A. Rami Reddy, Member Bar Council of India, will lead the representatives from his state Andhra, and Mr. Vishnu Vardhan Reddy from Telangana. Please, all of them, please come fast, please. And after that, Assam, the representatives from Assam, please be ready. Assam and then Bihar. We have a large delegation from Bihar. And the High Court Bar Association office bearers may also come, please, from Andhra, Telangana and Assam. The High Court Bar Association office bearers will also accompany their respective State Bar Council leaders. You are from? Andhra. Okay.
Bar Association.
Right. We have announced. Assam. I welcome Mr. Sanjeev Nasir, President, Delhi Bar Association. I welcome Mr. Manjeet Singh Oberoi, Senior Advocate, Delhi High Court. Mr. Oberoi, please take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Mr. Apurva Sharma will lead the delegates from Assam. Apurva Sharma ji. Leaders of the State Bar Council and High Court Bar Association Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Our friends from Bihar, leaders from Bihar State Bar Council and High Court Bar Association, Patna, please be ready. Please be ready. ठीक है.
जब वहाँ पहुँचेंगे तो बोलिएगा चेयरमैन बिहार है.
Yes, sir.
24 सितंबर को वहीं पहुँचना है.
Chairman State Bar Council Bihar, Mr. Ramakant Sharma, please lead your members and High Court Bar Association leaders, please. Please come fast, please.
आ जाइए.
And from Delhi, please be ready. Chairman Mr. Murari Tiwari and members Bar Council of Delhi, Mr. D.K. Singh, Mr. Sanjeev Nasyar, Mr. Himal Akhtar, Mr. Vishnu Sharma. Acha. Yes. Our guest from Chhattisgarh, before Delhi, our leader. अभी जरा
बिहार हुई तो थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे.
छत्तीसगढ़ नहीं बिहार के बाद छत्तीसगढ़ यार ऐसे मत करो ना. प्लीज वेट प्लीज वेट.
प्रकाश सर गैदरिंग ज्यादा है. थोड़ा बिहार के समय
Yes.
थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे दीजिए.
After Bihar, our delegates from Chhattisgarh, members from Chhattisgarh, and then Delhi. I welcome Mr. Rajpal Kasana, member Bar Council of Delhi. After Bihar, our members from Chhattisgarh and then Delhi. Chhattisgarh, please come ahead. Chhattisgarh. Our member Bar Council of India from Chhattisgarh, Dubey ji, Mr. Shailendra Dubey. Patel, Gujarat. Will come for Gujarat. Chhattisgarh, Delhi, our Delhi delegates, please come. हाँ आइए.
नेक्स्ट पंजाब.
गुजरात
हाँ पंजाब ना.
गुजरात वाले आ गए.
Karthi,
ना पा ओडिशा पछे.
Kerala, not bill ready, please.
नेक्स्ट पंजाब.
Manjeet Oberoi, please come.
पंजाब ना. नेक्स्ट पंजाब.
हाँ नहीं दिल्ली के
गुजरात.
गुजरात यस.
Yes. Next members from Gujarat State Bar Council, Mr. Sri Anil,
डोंट
Gujarat State Bar Council and High Court Bar Association, Gujarat.
Now our leaders from Gujarat
Supreme Court Bar Association. Sir, Delhi में वो.
The office bearers of Supreme Court Bar Association,
ओडिशा डका है ये झारखंड
Mr. Rai, Vice President, Supreme Court Bar Association, Mr. Rahul Kaushik and other members, Executive Committee, Supreme Court Bar Association.
हाँ चालू है
पटेल पटेल नो नो पटेल साहब इज गुड शुक्ला जी कहा ए शुक्ला जी
Alphabetically. So this is alphabetically.
लाल साहब
Please don't take much time. Please don't take much time. Please move ahead. Please move ahead. आगे मैंने अनाउंस कर दिया. Mr. Pradeep Rai, Vice President, Supreme Court Bar Association. Please. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
है ना?
आगे.
किधर? कहाँ है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये गिर गए. आगे.
इधर रख लीजिए. चलिए. हाँ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट बार एक साथ आइए.
आई सब लोग आ जाओ
आइए सर. स्वामी से.
इसको संभालना ही मुश्किल हो. इसको बांध दो.
नीचे कर दो नीचे. हाँ.
गुजरात हो गया. गुजरात डन. एंड आफ्टर गुजरात, हिमाचल प्रदेश. पंजाब अभी दूर है. पंजाब इज फार अवे. इट इज अल्फाबेटिकल.
ओडिशा आ गया क्या सर ओडिशा
अभी नहीं है. अभी नहीं है.
ठीक
और गुजरात जो हो सर
गुजरात हो गया.
हाँ तो आप आ जाइए स्पीकर सर झारखंड को बुला लें
हिमाचल के बाद झारखंड.
बस
The members from Himachal Pradesh.
First let them come here. Nobody is here. Come.
Please come here.
Please come. Fast, fast. Say.
Our members from Himachal, please come fast. Himachal. Mr. Amit Vaid will lead the members from Himachal.
Tamil Nadu also call the
And Jharkhand, be ready. Jharkhand.
हाँ हाँ जाइए.
Jharkhand, please come ahead.
नाम दे लीजिए सर सबका.
Mr. Rajendra Krishna, Chairman. Rajesh Kumar Shukla, Ritu Kumar, Naveen Kumar, please come ahead. And this is alphabetically, please. And after Jharkhand, Karnataka, Mr. Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, please bring your members. हिमाचल हो गया. You are from? आप कहाँ से हैं? झारखंड. ओके. कर्नाटका. Thank you. Please. And after Karnataka, Kerala. Mr. K.N. Anil Kumar, Chairman, Kerala State Bar Council.
केरला इज हियर.
Yes, Kerala. Mr. Manoj Kumar, Member, Bar Council of India. Mr. Oberoi Saab, you please come. You also come. And after Kerala, the delegates from Madhya Pradesh, please be ready. Madhya Pradesh.
Kerala be led by Manoj Kumar.
I have spoken. The Kerala delegation is being led by Mr. N. Manoj Kumar, Member, Bar Council of India. Kerala आ गया. And Madhya Pradesh, please come. Mr. Vijay Chaudhary. Pratap Mehta ji. Pratap Mehta, member Bar Council of India. Okay, please lead your delegation. Please. Please. जल्दी करो यार. मध्य प्रदेश प्लीज.
महाराष्ट्र लेट में जाए हमें.
And after Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, led by Mr. Jayant Jay Bhave, member Bar Council of India. Maharashtra. चलिए मध्य प्रदेश.
हाँ हाँ आ रहा
You are from?
उड़ीसा
आपका yes. ऐसे ही होता है. This is usual in BCI.
सेकंड बेंच.
हाँ, Mr. Jayant Bhave, please move ahead. Please move ahead. I request all the members, please move ahead. दल साहब जरा आगे करिए इनको. Please make your way. Please move ahead.
Go ahead.
And this.
Slow and steady. Go ahead.
This selfie, please don't take these selfies. That take too much of time. Please go ahead. Dal sahab, please help them. No selfie, please. No selfie. So we have photographers.
थोड़ा गैप निकालते हैं.
Please go ahead. Don't take much time, please. ये मध्य प्रदेश अभी वहीं खड़े हुए हैं.
हाईकोर्ट का प्रेसिडेंट है.
संजू छत्रपति शिवाजी का स्टैंड. चलिए आगे.
अपना ही है.
हम जगन्नाथ देश का.
I request all the honorable members, please go ahead, move ahead, don't take much time, please. No selfie, no selfie.
क्या बोल रहे सर? कैमरामैन क्या बोल रहे हैं? इसका काम यही
Please maintain order.
चले जाएंगे अभी जाएंगे पटना क्या करना जाएंगे.
The Honorable Chief Justice is to leave early, as I told you. Please don't take much time.
उड़ीसा मेंबर्स चले.
And now Odisha, our members from Odisha, Mr. D.P. Dhal, please be ready. आफ्टर महाराष्ट्र उड़ीसा, चलिए
गौतम मित्र
चलिए चलिए, अरे प्लीज मूव यार। यू आर फ्रॉम, अरे no, they are all coming. I request the office bearer of High Court Bar Association also to join their State Bar Council team. The office bearer, the president and office bearer of Telangana High Court Bar Association, please come. Mr. Raghunath, President Bar Association Telangana, please come. Now after Odisha, Punjab and Haryana, Mr. Pratap Singh. क्या हाल है सर? आशीर्वाद आपका। प्लीज गो, प्लीज मूव। क्या करें, व्हाट कैन आई डू? चलने दो, चलने दो। पंजाब, अभी पंजाब है, पंजाब आप तो चलो यार, आप अकेले जाओ। तेलंगाना अभी आएगा, आएगा। आफ्टर पंजाब राजस्थान नहीं यार, पर ये प्लीज यहाँ पर आपने कहाँ भीड़ लगाई? नहीं ये बच्चे आप कहाँ से हैं? ऐसे नहीं है बेटा, प्लीज ये ओनली हाई कोर्ट बार के जो प्रेसिडेंट और बार काउंसिल, प्लीज बच्चों के लिए नहीं। हाँ, यस, पंजाब एंड राजस्थान, देयर आफ्टर राजस्थान मिस्टर श्रीमाली, सुरेश दत्त श्रीमाली। चलो भाई चलो, चलिए प्लीज प्लीज मूव फास्ट। छोड़ो नहीं, आप यूपी से हैं, यूपी यार, यूपी राजस्थान को आप बुलाइए ना उनको।
अरे भाई मुख्य दो इधर पांडे जी,
इनको आगे तो सरका, आगे सरका।
यूपी बाद में आएगा भैया, इधर दो।
नो दिस इज
आप कहाँ से भैया?
नहीं, ये दे आर नॉट मेंबर। व्हाई आर दे कमिंग दीस बॉयज? आप मेंबर है।
अरे चतुर्वेदी बुके देना, तो बुके देना।
क्या हाल है? अरे हाँ,
उधर से बुके देना। अरे बुके देना पांडे जी, पांडे जी।
आप श्रीमाली जी चलो आगे, चलो राजस्थान वाले को लेके आ जाएंगे, आ जाएंगे। नहीं कोई बात नहीं, Please maintain order.
दो 5 8 10 और दो रवीना आगे जाइए बुके दो जी पांडे जी और दीजिए
ये आगे सरकते नहीं ना लोग. Please move fast. Please move fast.
अब आ जाओ चेयरमैन साहब आगे आओ. यस सर बिल्कुल आगे आओ. एक सेकंड चेयरमैन साहब को इनको आने दो उसके बाद आओ.
अरे ये इनको आगे भी तो बढ़ाओ ना. क्या ये लोग आगे नहीं चल रहे. अमित Prabhakaran, push them. You push them. Why, you are student?
Telangana.
No, are you a member bar council? I again request that only state bar council member and high court bar association office bearer will come. No student will come here, please. Why are you coming? You are student. Why are you coming here? No student will come here. Only state bar council member and office bearers of High Court Bar Association, please. अभी टाइम है सर. And Tamil Nadu, after Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. These students, please, no student will come here. All students can go back. Tamil Nadu.
अरे लड़ाई झगड़े मत करो.
अब इसको बंद कर दो.
नहीं, फिर जो नहीं है वो नाराज हो जाएंगे, जिनको नहीं बुलाइए.
सिर्फ तमिलनाडु बचा है.
नहीं, तेलंगाना, यूपी,
नहीं,
उत्तराखंड
यूपी हो गया.
नहीं हुआ.
हो गया सर, हमारे सामने हुआ.
ओके, तमिलनाडु, देन तेलंगाना.
तेलंगाना हो गया. आंध्र
हो
के
गया.
साथ तेलंगाना.
अच्छा,
Only-
उत्तर प्रदेश.
Only Tamil Nadu is now left. Tamil Nadu people, please come.
उत्तराखंड नहीं हुआ. उत्तराखंड नहीं हुआ. एंड वेस्ट बंगाल.
Tamil Nadu, please come.
West Bengal Secretary Bar Association, Calcutta High Court.
ऑल राइट.
After Tamil Nadu. अरे
इनको आगे
चलते चलो
बढ़ो,
ना.
आगे करो इनको. उत्तराखंड. उत्तराखंड आइए शर्मा जी. मिस्टर डी के शर्मा, देवेंद्र कुमार शर्मा. आप यू कॉल योर मेंबर्स नाउ. दिस
आइए आइए लामा साहब.
मेरा नाम थोड़ा बोल दीजिएगा सर जब हम जाएंगे तमिलनाडु का बात.
You are from West Bengal?
B. Basu Malik, Calcutta High Court Secretary. Bar Association Secretary.
Mr. Basu Malik,
Basu Malik, yeah.
Secretary, High Court Bar Association, Calcutta.
आइए मलिक साहब, आइए बासु मलिक साहब, तमिलनाडु। आइए आइए सर, आइए।
Now you please go back. These students please go back. You will not come here.
आओ तोमर साहब, आते आओ।
Now this is the last delegation from Uttarakhand and West Bengal. Tamil Nadu is done.
तमिलनाडु, आइए तमिलनाडु। उत्तराखंड का देना।
अरे ये please don't do this. You can come from there. No. This is not fair.
पटेल साहब हमारी फोटो हैं? क्या? अरे तो हमारी वो तो
ये जो क्राउड खड़ा हुआ है, now all please don't stand here. You please vacate this space. Please go away with. You are blocking the camera. You are blocking the camera. Please move ahead. Don't stand here. Don't stand in this passage. Please move ahead. Bar Council of India staff, please ensure that this space is vacated. Okay, चेयरमैन ये जरा यहाँ से
लामा साहब आगे हो, लामा साहब आगे आगे चेयरमैन आगे।
डीके सिंह, इनको हटाओ यहाँ से। ये जितने भी खड़े हैं, प्लीज हेल्प अस।
Now this session is over. After Uttarakhand, this session is over. Now we'll proceed with the further program. बंद कर दीजिए।
अब किसी को नहीं आने देना, खड़े हो जाओ यहाँ।
सबको रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए सीट लें अपना अपना जगह।
प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स. प्लीज डोंट स्टैंड इन द गैलरी. प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स.
ये हर्ष सुराना सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, आप आगे आने।
Please vacate this area. I am requesting you. Please move ahead. अब कोई नहीं इधर आएगा, और ये जो बीच में खड़े इनको हटाओ सबको। दे दिया। हमारे यहाँ हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, हमेशा। हाँ दे दिए, तुम्हारे साथ तो दिए। पानी पता नहीं कौन लाया था, साला कहाँ से लाया पानी। सफाई करो फटाफट, सफाई करो। हो गया मेरा डन। Now we are starting the program now. Now this presentation of bouquet is over. Now this is over. Now this is over. Please take your seats. Please take your seats. All members Bar Council of India, please come. I request Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, Chairman Bar Council of India, to present a memento to the Honorable Chief Justice of India. No, he is saying chairman, no address. Chairman. Okay. And now the time we are waiting for, our Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri U. Lalit will address. Honorable the Chief Justice of India.
Mr. Tushar Mehta, Learned Solicitor General of India, Mr. Banerjee, Learned Additional Solicitor General India, Mr. Manan Mishra, and all the members of the Bar Council of India, all the representatives of various bar councils throughout the country, members of SCBA, all the learned advocates, juniors, seniors, and law students. I've never received such kind of flowers all throughout my life. Perhaps I think I need to call for a mini truck to take these flowers home. I normally, whenever I get garlands, bouquets, I just distribute them. Today is going to be a real problem for my house, where to accommodate and how to distribute. Forget it, that's the sheer weight, sheer volume of flowers, what you have presented me. But beneath that, or behind that garland or bouquet, lies the affection, lies the entire spectrum of best wishes that you can offer me. And I must tell you that every pair of eyes was telling me the same story. Sir, we have a lot of expectations from you. I joined the bar way back in 1983. Never imagined that I would be in front of the representatives of the various bar associations all throughout the country, which would be truly representative in character,
So it's a very humbling experience. I couldn't have thought for anything better than that. People say that all throughout the life a judge decides the matter, passes judgment on matters which come before him. And somebody said very beautifully that on the day of his retirement, the lawyers pass judgment on him. But today it was something like that reminder that yes, these are our expectations, this is what we want from the Supreme Court, this is what we would aspire the Supreme Court to be. And you as the person who is presently administratively controlling it, we have so many expectations from you. I would sincerely strive, I would do my best to live up to those expectations, to be worthy of, standing maybe after 3 months in front of you and getting more flowers than what I did today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Just one thing, and just wanted to share with you something which has happened in last 4 days. We have been listing matters as compared to the time before I took over, matters which are far in excess in number. In last 4 days, my Secretary General has just put the figures before me. The total number of miscellaneous matters that the court disposed of in 4 days was 1293. Number of regular matters disposed of 106, especially when 2 days were miscellaneous days. So therefore you can well imagine that the courts are now giving more and more emphasis to dispose of the regular matters. Above all, the transfer petitions disposed of by the court, 440 in 4 days. So this is what the number is, this is what we are constantly working towards that, that's our endeavor, that's what we are striving to achieve. You are from various walks of life, various areas, various bar council. So this is the message that I may through you let it go down the line in every area, every district, that yes, Supreme Court will try to dispose of as much as you are capable of bringing it before the Supreme Court. Thank you. Thank
you. Short and crisp. I request all the honorable guests present here to please give a standing ovation to Honorable the Chief Justice of India. And now Mr. Jayant Bhave, our member from Maharashtra, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everybody. On this occasion of a very memorable function, I propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the Bar Council of India. In spite of very busy schedule, Honorable Chief Justice Shri Uday Lalit Sahib, Chief Justice of India, accepted our invitation of this function and extended opportunity to the Bar Council of India for today's felicitation as a representative of the advocate community of the country. We are thankful to you, Honorable Lordship, for sparing your valuable time. We are sure, with the good wishes of the entire legal fraternity of the country, your tenure as a Chief Justice of India will be successful and remarkable. And Chairman Sir, Manan Sir, you speak something in a Hindi, as we are proud that our Chief Justice is from Maharashtra, I will speak few words in a Marathi. साहेब आपले खूप आभार, आपले खूप अभिनंदन आणि आपला आम्हाला खूप खूप अभिमान आहे. This function is also graced by the leader of bar in the Supreme Court, Honorable Solicitor General of India, Honorable Shri Tushar Mehta Sahib. Sir, we are thankful for sparing your very valuable time. Also today, amongst us, Advocate Vikramjit Banerjee, the Additional Solicitor General of Supreme Court, has spared his time. We are thankful for you, sir. Many senior advocates from Supreme Court and other various parts of the country have also graced today's function. Representatives of all state bar councils are present today. I especially recognize the presence of all the honorable chairman, vice chairman, and the state bar council members gathered from the entire country and express thanks for their presence and also express thanks for participation in this particular felicitation function with heart. Similarly, I am thankful to all the other advocate brothers, sisters, law students who are present today. I am thankful to all the members of the Bar Council of India, our staff who are continuously working for last 8 days for the success of this function under the very able leadership of Honorable Manan Kumar Mishra ji. Thank you everybody. Thanks to all who assisted to make this today's function graceful. Thank you Honorable Lordship. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Please rise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I request all the members, please keep sitting till the Honorable Chief Justice of India leave the auditorium. Please keep sitting. And please join us for high tea outside, please, all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
डाल देना